Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So today I want to take and share a pro tip with you. Now, every now and then you need to take and cut a small bolt or something like this if you're doing finessey work type things, or maybe you just need a little stud or something of some small work cut off, and it's really unhandy to take and nip it off with a pair of vise grips or wire cutters or something like that and leave a little shear point that has to be dressed up. And so what's more convenient is to be able to take and saw that off with like a bandsaw. But the problem with this is, as soon as you try to touch this, it's going to suck it down and it's going to try to jerk this thing around and bind the blade and things like that, lose teeth. So one of the easiest ways that I've found to do this is to take and get yourself here a very simple push block. Now this push block here, I've actually got a little shelf cut into, and you'll see why that is here in a second why that is. What this does essentially is this allows me to have a sled that I can back my work up against, so I can still apply forward pressure, and since I can touch it up against, since this is a sacrificial piece, I can touch it up against the side of the blade. I can stop that bucking around and that kicking up and down like so. So let's put this into practice and I'll show you what I mean. So just that easy, I was able to nip that off pretty darn quick. So that's it. That's your pro tip for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. Either way, I greatly appreciate the feedback. And let me know in the comment section what it is that you do in your shop when you need to cut off small little bolts and bits and fittings like this. So that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. And like always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.